guys, for those who don't know, I'm in the city of Brookhaven, and I just want to travel in here. So I'm gonna grab my car, specifically this one. This is actually my favorite car, and let's just go to the um to the let's just travel this. Oh look, it's the barn. Let's go there to see what's in there. Then I park my car here, and this is the inside of the barn. We can just made some farm here, but the ball text does not add it. Let's explore more. Okay. Oh, wait. What's this thing here? I never seen this before. Is it even collectible? I don't know. I'm just gonna go travel again. Let's go, guys. Why this car is really slow? Okay, now I'm near to the arch, and you can see it right there. Where am I? I'm actually near the airport. I will just eat some burger right now, cause I'm little hungry. Let's go, guys. Let's order a burger. There. Okay, now I'm already full. Let's go. This is the stores of Brookhaven, and also there's also some stores in that other side. This is the school. Wait, this is the hospital. Let's just travel for a bit. I even like to get a house, and I almost got an accident. Let's try to go to the campsite. This is even drivable in water, which is quite weird. But you can hear that sound, which ain't very good. Wait, is this even a wall? Gonna go to the camp. To go camping, ain't right? There's now some fire. Let me grab. Wait, what is it? Did it just disappear? I'm just gonna live in here for a while, and I'm gonna sleep, cause it's already 4 a.m. I should be sleeping. And guys, now I'm awake. Let's look at this lake. We can just go to the yacht, right? Let's go to the yacht first before leaving this city. I'm gonna go a bit further away so I can just stay away for a bit, okay? I'm in the yacht. Look how massive this is. Sadly, we cannot drive this one. And there's actually a single secret place here. See? They even got some gold here. And some guns, explosives. And I'm gonna leave this place. Let's just get my car. Bro, why there's a hot spring here? Look at this. There's a lava in there. In the ilalim. Wait. Let's go get my car right now. Look, there's also a lakeside house. And let's wait. Why? Let's just go there. And now, where am I? I'm in the neighborhood, but I will visit them later. I'm now back in the city. And let's just travel without my car. Suddenly, I'm just going here. Look. And I'm just waiting here. Wait, what's that? Oh no. And suddenly, that car just drive over me, which is really weird. I did not expect that to happen. And now, I'm escaping right now here. And I just cannot take it anymore. I need a doctor right now. And suddenly, a doctor just arrived here to pick up me. And I don't feel very well right now. I'm just standing here, but I'm not feeling very well. And it looks like he's upping me to the hospital. I don't think he knows much where is the hospital is. And he's just bringing me there right now. Guys, he just arrived at the hospital and he's just going to one of those rooms. Wait, what's happening to him? Maybe he lagged. And now I have to go lay down here. And guys, it seems like he got surprised for some reason. And he just said this was the first operation I failed. He said, I'm gonna bring you to the church. And guys, he's actually bringing me there. And he just teleported here. And he's really bringing me there, which is quite weird. And I think the doctor is bugging a lot. And now he's really coming on the church. I don't know how this happened, but I think I'm now dead. And guys, looks like I'm really dead here. And I'm gonna be buried soon. And it looks like he's gonna bring me to the cemetery. And guys, the doctor just teleported again, which I don't know. I think he's a teleporter. And it looks like he's really burning me. And I'm really buried now. And guys, if you want a part 2 like this, just comment on the video and I will make a part.